Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your age on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be pretty similar on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture from the top left of the home page to get to your profile page. Then tap on See Your About info. Scroll down to the Basic Info heading and tap on Edit to the right of it. Here you can change your date of birth and your birth year. To change your age, tap on Birth Year and then change it to whatever you would like it to be, and then tap Done. You can do the same with your date of birth also if you wish. You need to check the box to confirm that you are however many years old. Note that you can only edit your date of birth a limited number of times. When you are finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Save. Your age on Facebook has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.